Pakistan Army has a long and cherishable history of serving under the umbrella of United Nations. Pakistan's commitment with United Nations for promoting international peace and prosperity stems from the vision of its founding father Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah.
Our foreign policy is one of friendliness and goodwill towards all nations of the world. We believe in the principle of honesty and fair play in national and international dealings and are prepared to make our utmost contribution to the promotion of peace and prosperity among the nations of the world. Pakistan will never be found lacking in extending its material and moral support to the oppressed and suppressed people of the world and in upholding the principles of the United Nations Charter.
Pakistan joined the United Nations on 30th September 1947. Pakistan's journey with United Nations peacekeeping operations began in 1960. When it deployed its first ever contingent in United Nations operations in Congo. Over the past 55 years, Pakistan has been the most significant and consistent contributor for the United Nations peacekeeping around the world. Pakistan has hitherto participated in 41 United Nations peacekeeping missions, including some of the most challenging missions. Until now, 143 Pakistani peacekeepers have sacrificed their lives, including 23 officers, in the noble cause of helping humanity, building peace and bringing stability across the regions under the banner of United Nations. Pakistan has remained one of the largest troops contributing country consistently for years. Pakistan contingent played a significant role in normalizing the war-torn conditions, maintaining law and order, and successful transition of governments through supervision of elections. Pakistani engineering troops not only undertook and completed cumbersome tasks of developing and reconstructing thousands of kilometers of communication infrastructure, but also actively participated in demining operations. Remarks of U.S. Major General Thomas M. Montgomery, Deputy Commander United Nations Forces in Somalia in 1993, eulogizing Pakistani peacekeepers who undertook a daring joint rescue operation, Black Hawk Down, to save stranded U.S. Rangers from the stronghold of warlord General Farah Adeed, are testimony of professionalism and commitment of Pakistani troops.
Many of the soldiers are alive today because of the willingness and skill of the Pakistani soldiers who worked jointly in a rescue operation. We are thankful to the people and Army of Pakistan for sending such splendid soldiers to Somalia, whom we feel proud to serve with. Pakistani soldiers have been completely dependable even in the most difficult circumstances. They have shouldered a huge and dangerous load of UNISOM and the Somali people.
Performance of Pakistani peacekeepers has been widely acknowledged worldwide by numerous world leaders and United Nations leadership. PAK has not only protected us, but has also infused a new spirit into our lives. They have given us all sorts of humanitarian help and above all have given us a constant medical care in form of their hospital.
I wish to reframe my gratitude and appreciation for the professionalism the Pakistani contingent has displayed. During stay in eastern Slavonia, they are indeed performing great services to humanity. The only example in United Nations history when a United Nations military force had gone in, performed its role honestly, and came out was Pakistan's military contingent in Indonesia. It was because of Pakistani troops that Indonesia and Pakistan came close together. They were Pakistan's best ambassadors. It gives me great pleasure to express my warmest congratulations and sincere admiration for the splendid work the officers and men of Pakistani battalion have done all over Haiti.
As a measure to show unyielding faith in United Nations peacekeeping efforts, Pakistan has established Center for International Peace and Stability in 2013. With establishment of this center, Pakistan has become one of the few countries in the world having such a center of excellence.
I sense great confidence and hope here today, but the feeling that overwhelms me is gratitude. Gratitude as the United Nations Secretary General and gratitude as a global citizen for what Pakistan and her people have been doing for international peace and security. More than 100 countries contribute troops and police for United Nations peacekeeping missions. Pakistan is number one. It is impossible to speak about the history of United Nations peacekeeping without highlighting such contributions of Pakistan. I thank you very much.
In a tribute to the precious lives laid down by Pakistani peacekeepers while serving under United Nations, Kofi Annan has acknowledged,
Your soldiers have made the ultimate sacrifice in the service of the world peace and the United Nations. I salute this record of global idealism because I believe it reflects a determination among the Pakistani people to serve the world.
Presently, Pakistani peacekeepers are deployed in Congo, Liberia, Ivory Coast, Darfur, Central African Republic, Western Sahara, and Haiti, helping human cause, bringing stability and promoting peace, thus building a secure and peaceful world.